Meta's latest virtual reality headset, the Meta Quest 3, is a significant improvement over the Meta Quest 2, offering the wearer the ability to experience virtual reality and mixed reality. But just how good is it, and is it worth getting one? Well, watch this video to find out, as I explain not only what the device can do, but why I got one to replace our Meta Quest 2. The Meta Quest 3 is an improvement over the Meta Quest 2 in almost every respect, offering not just virtual reality but also mixed reality and full colour pass-through, allowing the wearer to interact with the real-world environment without needing to take the headset off. If you've seen my videos before, then you may know that last year I bought a Meta Quest 2 to complement the flight simulator PC that I built for my dad, immersing him into the virtual cockpit of some of the aircraft he once flew in while serving in the Royal Air Force. And in the main he's been enjoying it, but just lately he's been using it less and less, and when I asked him why, he said it's because he finds wearing his prescription glasses under the headset uncomfortable and he occasionally gets eye strain. So to resolve this, I've done two things. Number one, I've bought a Meta Quest 3 whose slimmer pancake lenses provides uniform edge-to-edge clarity, meaning he no longer needs to keep adjusting the headset to get it focused. And number two, VR Optician, a company that manufactures prescription lenses for headsets like this, have very kindly sent me some lenses for the Meta Quest 3, specific to my dad's prescription, removing the need to wear glasses under the headset and therefore making it more comfortable. The company also develops lenses for many other headsets, so if you also wear prescription glasses, then you may want to consider getting some, where I've added a link to their website in the description below. Now, full disclosure, VR Optician are not sponsoring this video in any way, nor do they have any editorial control of what I say. All opinions are entirely mine and my dad's. The specifications of the Meta Quest 3 are a significant improvement over the Meta Quest 2. It's available in two storage sizes, 128GB and 512GB. It's powered by a Snapdragon XR2 Gen 2 chipset, more than doubling the graphics performance of the Meta Quest 2. Each LCD lens has a pixel resolution of 2064 by 2208, giving it 30% more pixel density than the Quest 2. It supports a refresh rate of up to 120Hz and comes with 8GB of RAM. The field of view has been increased to 110 degrees, and during setup the device will automatically scan the real-world environment around you, so you no longer need to draw a boundary line. However, the battery life remains the same of between 2 to 3 hours, and at 515 grams, the Quest 3 weighs 12 grams more than the Quest 2. There's a USB-C port and power button on the left side of the headset, and a 3.5mm audio jack on the right, and beneath the headset are volume buttons and an IPD wheel that allows you to adjust the distance between the lenses inside the visor. So what's it like to use? Well, before taking it over to my dad, I wanted to try it for myself. Now, I've never experienced mixed reality before, but thanks to a game called First Encounters, I was able to see exactly what it's like, and I have to say, it's impressive seeing a spacecraft landing in the room. Or an alien world opening up through the walls in my home. However, although it is fun, First Encounters isn't a game I will play much, and although it's improving, there aren't a large number of mixed reality titles currently available. That said, Asgards 2 that came with the Quest 3 is good, and I've been enjoying walking around like a god possessing mortals. If you already own a number of Quest 2 titles, then you'll be pleased to hear the Meta Quest 3 is fully backward compatible, but unless the developer has optimised them for the Quest 3, then you're unlikely to see much improvement. Watching television or movies through the headset is good, but it's more of a novelty than an actual benefit. However, I am impressed with the excellent full colour pass-through, surpassing the monochrome pass-through found on the Quest 2, where switching between modes is extremely easy. Simply double tap the side of the headset. Another improvement is to the controllers, where both the balance and tracking has been improved. So all in all, I rather like the headset, but I didn't get it for myself, so it was time to take it over to my dad and set it up for him. So Dad, this is the new Meta Quest 3, which I'm hoping will resolve the issues that you had with the Meta Quest 2. I've also inserted a set of prescription lenses from VR Optician, which means you no longer need to wear your glasses while wearing the headset. So if it's alright with you, shall we set this up and see what you think?
Yes, most certainly.
Great stuff. Well, let's do it. So Dad, you've been using the Meta Quest 3 for the last few days now. What did you think of the device, and have the prescription lenses we put inside them made any difference?
Well, as you know, I think the device is an essential add-on to Flight Simulator. It makes it so much more immersive and so much more fun, as if you're looking around from an actual aircraft. The problem I had before was a degree of motion instability after a while, and the focus at times wasn't so good, not for me. I wear glasses normally, but the prescription lenses added to it are absolutely superb. They are complete winners. I felt good, it was clear. I would just say they're an essential add-on.
Fantastic. So the eye strain has gone, and it's also comfortable to wear.
Absolutely. You don't even know you've got the lenses there. You certainly don't feel any motion instability. Your eye strain has gone. Yeah, it's brilliant fun.
Fantastic. So pleasingly, my dad likes the device, and it looks like the lenses have solved the problem too. So what are the pros and cons of the Meta Quest 3? Well, it now comes with mixed reality and full colour pass-through. The graphics look fantastic, and the device is able to handle newer games with ease. Adjusting the headset to get it focused is extremely easy. It's backward compatible with all Quest 2 titles, and the way it automatically scans the environment around you makes setting it up much easier. However, natural light does seep in under the nose bridge. Sound, although excellent, can and will be heard by others close by. The fabric that sits against your face can't be removed and will get dirty over time. And at £480 or $500 if you're in the United States, it's considerably more expensive than the Meta Quest 2. In summary, the Meta Quest 3 is an exceptional headset, and while not all content has been fully optimised for the Meta Quest 3, it's continually getting better. So should you get one? Well, while the Meta Quest 3 is more expensive than the Meta Quest 2, it's also more powerful, more comfortable and easier to set up. The new pancake lenses are fantastic, and the graphics are notably better than the Quest 2. So if you are looking for a virtual reality headset that also has mixed reality, then you may want to consider getting one. And if you do wear prescription glasses, don't forget to check out VR Optician using the link in the description below. And that's it, the Meta Quest 3, an immersive, comfortable and easy to use headset. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please help support the channel by subscribing below and hit the like button. And I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.